Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Capital One credit card using the Capital One mobile app or online banking. To get started, sign into your Capital One account either through the Capital One mobile app or by visiting the Capital One website. If you don't already have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, choose the account that's linked to your new Capital One card. Look for the section that shows your card details or the card tracker. Near the card tracker, you should see an option that says Activate My Card. Tap or click on that option to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. During the process, you may be asked to confirm your information and set a PIN for your card. After you finish the steps, your Capital One card will be activated and ready to use for purchases. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you activate your Capital One credit card, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.